Good morning students. Now today we will begin exercise 1A. Okay. In previous video I have given the introduction of the topic rational number. Rational number is new for you all. Okay. So I have clearly explained that what is rational number. Okay. Here again I want to revise it all for you all, that rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form P upon Q, a number which can be expressed in the form P upon Q, where P and Q both belongs to integer and Q should never be 0. I have explained this. Okay. So that means a fraction value in which we have numerator and denominator both belongs to integer. Integer means it can be positive value or it can be negative value. That is why I am telling it is about integer. Okay. And Q can never be 0 is the rational number. After this I have explained you about equivalent fractions, how to find equivalent fraction. For that I have explained it very clearly, okay, in my previous video. Now today we will study about the comparisons of two rational fractions. Okay, how to compare, how to arrange fractions in ascending order. Okay, about absolute value, few things we will take up. Along with that I will solve questions from the exercise also. So if you want, you can note it down in the copy and then solve the exercise. After attempting somewhere in rough copies, you can solve it in the fair copies. Okay, so let us see exercise 1.1, that is 1A. Okay, see, first we will take up, see question number 4, second part. Question number 4, second part. It is based on comparison. Okay, the question is which of the two rational number is greater. So comparison is what? In comparison we will see that between two numbers one number will be greater, other number will be smaller, maybe both the number can be equal. So this is the way of finding the comparison. Okay, so here we have to find the comparison. The question is minus 5 upon 16 or minus 6 upon 8. Okay, so we have to find whether which number is greater. We have to find which number is greater, that means comparison. So what we will do first, in fractions, while solving any fractions, one thing make it sure one thing you have to make it sure while solving any fractions, that the first step is to make the denominator equal. The first step is to make denominator same, to make denominator same. Okay, if you will make the denominator same, then what happens? Things become more easier for you all and question can also solve very easily. Now see here, we will have 6 by 8 here, minus 6 by 8, and here minus 5 by 16. So how we will make denominator same? Okay, we will place here, we will leave a gap over here, and minus 6 upon 8. We know that 8 to the 16. So if we will multiply in this fraction 2 to make it equivalent fraction, to change it into, how do we will make equivalent fraction? I have told you that we will multiply in numerator and denominator both by the same number. Okay, so now it will convert into the like fractions. Okay, 5 by 16 and minus 6 to the 12, minus 12 upon 16. Okay, minus 5 by 16 minus 12 by 16 both are converted to a like fractions. Okay, like fractions you all have studied in your previous classes. What are like fractions? Like fractions means in which the denominators are same, that means the fraction is like fraction. वो सारे फ्रैक्शंस जिसके डिनोमिनेटर क्या होते हैं, सेम हो जाते हैं, वो लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, उन्हें हम लाइक फ्रैक्शंस बोलते हैं. You all have studied this. Okay, so minus 5 by 16 and minus 12 by 16. Now we have denominator same in both the cases, now we can easily identify that which number is greater and which number is smaller. Okay, so we know that minus 5 by 16 is greater than minus 12 by 16. Okay, minus 5 by 16 is greater than minus 12 by 16. Why? Because in negative integers what happens, we will see that before 0, which number comes before 0, that means in integer value, the number which is closer to 0 in negative term are more greater than the number which are more farther to 0 in negative term. Okay, so by this we can say that minus 5 by 16, minus 5 is much closer to 0 as compared to minus 12 in number line. If we will make number line, see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So this is minus 5 value, and somewhere here minus 12 value will come. So minus 5 is much closer to 0. So it is greater as compared to minus 12. Okay. So this is the way of denoting the value in integers, negative integers. That means minus 5 by 16 is greater than minus 12 by 16. Okay. So in negative term, the value, make it sure in negative integers, the value which is closer to 0 are greater, and the value which are farther to 0 in negative integers will be smaller. Okay, clear? Now see what we have done. We have converted the fraction into a like fractions by making the denominator same, and we can easily identify that the number, which number is greater. Okay, after this we will see other questions. Now see, rest of the questions are same in question number 4 and in question number 5. So hopefully you will solve these questions by your own, and if any problem you can ask me in my channel. Okay, now see here, arrange the order from least to great, that means in ascending or descending. See question number 8. See question number 8. 8, which part? See 8th, third part. Okay, third part. In 8th, third part, the question is 3 upon minus 5, 3 upon minus 5, then minus 17 upon 15, then 8 upon 10, 8 upon 10, then we will have minus 7 upon 10, minus 7 upon 10. Okay, what we have to do? We have to arrange in descending order. Descending means what? From greater to smaller, and ascending from smaller to greater. So in descending order we have to arrange. So what we will do? I have told you that to solve any fractions, first of all what we will do? We will take the LCM and we will convert the fractions into like fractions. Okay, so what we will do? We will take LCM of denominator, LCM of 5, 15, 10, because these are the denominators. So LCM of 5, 15, 10 will be what? Okay, LCM will be 30. If we will calculate it, 5, 15, 10, the LCM will be 30. Okay, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, then 2 1 ja 2, and 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6, 6 5 30. Okay, so LCM will be 30. All these things you all know how to find LCM, how to find HCF and all, and if still you have any problem, you can just ask me in the comment box. Okay, LCM of 5, 15 and 10, that means of denominator is 30. Okay, so now what we will do? We will convert it into the like fractions. Okay, so see here how to convert. 3 upon minus 5. We will, for converting, what happened? We will convert it, we will make it equivalent fraction. We have to make 30 in denominator. Simply what we have to make? We have to make 30 in the denominator. So we will multiply it with 6, because we know that by multiplying 6 with 5 the answer will be 30. Okay, now see here, second, minus 17 upon 15. Okay, now we will multiply it with 2 to make it 30. Okay, now see like this, 8 upon 10. Okay, we will multiply it with 3 to make it 30 in the denominator. Okay, and then we will have minus 7 upon 10. We will multiply it again with 3 to make it 30. Now see what it will come. 6 3s are 18 upon 6 5s are 30 in minus. Why? Because the fraction is in minus, so the fraction will be in minus. 17 2s are 34 upon 30 again in minus. Now see here 8 3s are 24 upon 30, and then minus we will have 7 3s are 21 upon 30. Okay, now we have to arrange it in descending order. So in descending order, how we will arrange? See here, from bigger to smaller. So the larger one value is 24 upon 30. Okay, 24 upon 30. After this we will have minus 18 upon 30. Okay, minus 18 upon 30. Then we will have minus 21 upon 30. Minus 21 upon 13, and after this we will have minus 34 upon 30. Okay, after this we will have minus 34 upon 30. We have taken minus 18 upon 30 before this. Why? Because minus 18 is greater in because it is closer to 0 as compared to other fractions. So this is the way of arranging the questions, arranging the fractions in ascending order, okay, or descending order. After this, one thing is more we have to study in this exercise is about absolute value. What is absolute value? See here, absolute value means positive value. Okay, in absolute value we will place something like 17 upon 24. In